guys, and welcome to Behind the Yellow Door at Two Friends. It's been a super fun week here this week, so come on in and let me show you what just arrived. This week behind the yellow door, I thought I'd bring you guys back to the back room. James and Kelda are kind of iffy about this, so if you see them ducking and hiding, it's because they don't want to be on the camera because they're really busy back here. But I wanted to show you, we got in tons of stuff. We got boxes upon boxes that we're still waiting to undo. But I wanted to show you right here, we just got in this brand new product from Seaside Grown. It is a wonderful Bloody Mary mix. Made in South Carolina, and one of the reasons that I absolutely love this stuff is if you see right here, there's a little QR code, so you can actually check into the QR code and see the farmer that grew the tomatoes that is in here in the Bloody Mary mix. If you remember watching Forrest Gump and that beautiful house that was in the movie, that is where this company is located. They're actually on that property. So from Seaside Grown, we got the Bloody Mary mix. We got the barbecue sauce. It's called Smokin' Blue. So yummy. We also got another barbecue sauce called Peach Bourbon. And actually, this is the one that I fell in love with. I think she may have just left me a sample of that blueberry one because this one is the one that I actually bought that is so good. And then I love this product. It's the cocktail sauce, but it's called the wasabi cocktail sauce. So instead of the little bit of horseradish that we usually put into cocktail, this has wasabi, great flavor. And again, each product has the QR code, so you can actually see where the products that are in this bottle are grown from Southern growers. All right, and one more item. As you can see, I've got some other boxes back here, but I had to show you this one because she just delivered this today. It is the margarita mix. Y'all, this is so yummy. It's all fresh. It says no GMOs or no MSGs, gluten-free, yada yada. It has lemon, lime, and tangerine juice. And again, it has the QR code so you can see where everything was grown. Okay, so while we're standing back here close to the Seaside Grown, I have to show you all these fun gentleman socks. Y'all, we sell so many socks. And I just love some silly ones every now and then, but look how cute this is. This is called the deviled eggs. How cute is that? So if the man in your life has a cute sense of humor, he might like some of these. Now, can you guess what this one is? It's a smart donkey, but it's kind of a smart, how cute is that? So if you got a man in your life that's a kind of a smart egg, he might need those. And then of course, Sasquatch is always such a big thing. Bigfoot, so the guy with the Bigfoot might need the Bigfoot socks. And then I thought this one was hilarious. It's an ostrich with his head in the ground with a sign that says nope, which means don't stick your head in the ground. All right, so here on the table, let me show you some of these great things. So if you've been into our bubble bar, we have this big candle burning and it smells so heavenly. It's called the Capri candle, and a lot of you have asked to let you know when this candle comes back in stock. So here it is in the big size. It just arrived. We also have it in the smaller size as well. So if you're interested in these will be online so you can check them out. We got in all kinds of really cool frames, some other great candles. These are great for gentlemen, so if the man in your life likes a good scent, and I think this scent is called, let me tell you, it's called Tobacco Flower. So it's good and manly, and of course it has the best looking little container, top to the container, which you can use after the candle is finished burning. Y'all, Kelda's back here steaming and she's hiding because she says the humidity from the steamer makes her hair grow big, but I think she looks absolutely adorable. Oh, did have to show you the brand new arrivals from Gretchen Scott. Y'all, we had this dress over the holidays and sold it so quick. She just came out with it in a stripe. This is called a strawberry stripe with a turquoise lining. This dress fits beautifully, and I think it'd be a great dress for your summer parties or weddings. And then my favorite top that just arrived, I love this. It's this cute little blue top with a little rig rack down the front. It's got a cute puff sleeve, and it has a nice, pretty little scalloped cuff at the elbow. So I think this would be so cute with white denim for springtime coming around. And then, let me show you, we did so well with all of these sweaters. I love these sweaters not only to layer things underneath them, but I like to take them, I'll show you what I like to do, because sometimes we just need a little pop of color with our long sleeve shirt. I like to just throw it over my shoulders, and you've got a great lightweight sweater that in case it gets chilly, you can just toss it on. But now I have to show you too, one of the great things about this sweater is not only is it just to me the perfect weight, it has a nice kind of a high-low hem. It's got a nice vent on the side. It's got a little cuff here, so if you like to turn back your cuffs on the shirt that you may wear underneath, this is the perfect sweater for that. It comes in hot pink, a periwinkle blue, a lime, it's actually not lime green, it's more Kelly green, and then it also comes in just a really simple white, which I think is just perfect for the days ahead. All right, so to wrap up this week, I thought I would come over to the Bubble Bar. Don't you just love these fun balloons? I have to give a big shout out to the Enchanted Frog here on St. Simon's Island, who provides these fun balloons for us over and over. She does a really great job, and she does all kinds of fun parties too. So if you're ever on the island and you need some balloons, she can do them for you. But to wrap up this week, I wanted to be sure to tell you guys, Brandon has the March wine tasting schedule out. We have had more people excited about doing the classes that are coming up. I think we're close to selling out on a couple of the classes, but the class that I am so excited about is on March the 1st, which is next week. It's called a picnic pairing, and guess what we're doing? We're partnering with Sammy's to provide us some fun sandwiches, and we'll be pairing the wines that go back with a picnic that you may take to the beach or take on a hike or wherever you might be having fun here on the island. So if you're interested in the picnic pairings, that's next week. It's $65 a person, and that of course provides you 4 to 5 wines to taste, and of course sandwiches to pair back with them. All of these classes are on our website on the front page, so if you head on over there, you can actually purchase your ticket for your seat. Again, there's limited seating, so if you want to come join us, we hope you sign up, and we'll see you next week. Have a great one.